profession there remains circus performer with a tough time getting life insurance. Number 5. And she's a white girl.
And that performance that you look like an egg and threw your broken head in the trash.
Well, I don't take it too personally because I've noticed something about Mrs. Foreman. She's a wackadoo.